Hello, my name is GwennoDafydd and I am Americymru's St David's Day Ambassador for the world, which is a bit of an honour. Americymru is a website which will tell you all things about Wales. It's got poetry, it's got literature, it's got all sorts of things, music. So go and have a look there. I am promoting all things Welsh on St David's Day, so I hope you have a very happy St David's Day wherever you are in the world. I will be down in Pembrokeshire in the very first St David's Day parade, and I will be singing the St David's Day anthem, which I instigated back in 2005. I came up with an idea for an anthem, wrote some bilingual words, took them to my co-writer at the time, Haylwyn Thomas, asked her for some music, which she created. And so I'm very excited that Pembrokeshire are going to be having the very first parade. There's going to be apparently 1,100 children, which is amazing, if the snow holds off. It's quite snowy in Wales here at the moment. We've had quite a lot of snow over the last few days, so we're hoping that St David's Day will be clear and that we will be able to celebrate our patron saint in the way that he deserves. I'm very excited this year. When I was on the National St David's Day Parade in 2005, there were just a couple of hundred of us in Cardiff celebrating St David. And since that time, the parades have grown numerous. And by this point, I believe there are nearly 20 throughout Wales, which is very exciting. So I'm not going to start naming them because I know I won't get through them. But I do know that Pembrokeshire's having a brand new one. Llanbed is going to be having their first, which will follow the regulars in Aberystwyth, in Penllyn, in Swansea. We have one in Carmarthen. I believe there's one in Aberaeron, Llangefni, Bangor, Carnarvon. I'm sorry if I've missed you out, but this is great. This is wonderful to see St David being celebrated on the streets in Wales. So all I can say is I hope you have a wonderful St David's Day and a great celebration. Start making your banners. We have 3 county banners by now, Pembrokeshire, Carmarthenshire and Montgomeryshire. So it would be wonderful to see the rest of the counties in Wales making county banners, parading them with their school banners and singing the St David's Day anthem. So, dydd Guldewi hapus I chi, ble bynnag yn y byd, wherever you are in the world, happy St David's Day. Diolch.